Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone at a Cashify store. It's a super easy way to turn your old device into cash without any hassle. We'll go over the simple steps to get the best value for your phone right from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in and see how convenient it can be to sell your phone quickly and securely. First up, getting an instant quote is incredibly simple. Just head over to the Cashify website or download their user-friendly app. You'll select your phone's brand and model, then answer a few quick questions about its current condition. In just moments, you'll receive an immediate estimated price for your device, giving you a clear idea of its worth before you proceed any further. Once you have your quote, the next step is to schedule a convenient pickup. You can choose a date and time that works perfectly for you. A friendly Cashify executive will then visit your location to verify your phone's condition on the spot. After a quick inspection, they'll confirm the final offer, ensuring everything is transparent and fair right before your eyes. Finally, it's time for the best part: instant payment. As soon as the verification is complete and you agree to the final offer, you'll receive your money immediately. You can choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a direct bank transfer or through UPI. It's a completely hassle-free and secure transaction, making selling your phone a breeze and giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.